The mandibular occlusion rim is set buccal to the residual ridge anteriorly, on the crest of the ridge in the premolar area, and lingual to the residual ridge in the molar area. The anterior height of the mandibular rim measures 18 mm from the labial flange to the occlusal plane. The labial surface of the rim falls on a line that extends from the depth of the sulcus perpendicular to the occlusal plane. The posterior height of the mandibular occlusion rim is said to be 2/3 the height of the retromolar pad. The width of the rim is said to be 10 mm. You will receive a ready-made occlusion rim with the standard measurements. Note that the rim is high posteriorly, so mark the overextended area with a carver and remove it with a heated wax knife for easier adaptation of the rim on the ridge. Notice how the occlusion rim now fits over the residual ridge easily. Position the lower occlusion rim over the ridge as per the specifications we discussed earlier. Anteriorly, the rim is placed slightly labial to the residual ridge. In the premolar area, it needs to be centered over the ridge. In the molar area, it is slightly lingual to the ridge. See here how that the rim does not extend beyond the full depth of the labial sulcus anteriorly. Seal the lower occlusion rim to the record base. You may use a piece of softened base plate wax, add it to the gap between the rim and the base, and then seal it using a wax knife. Confirm the measurements of the rim anteriorly and posteriorly. The anterior height of the rim is said to be 18 mm. As for the posterior height, it is said to be 2/3 the level of the retromolar pad. So get the master cast and draw the oval shape of the retromolar pad. Draw a line on the land area that corresponds to the 2/3 of the height of the retromolar pad. Now this line represents the posterior height of the lower occlusion rim. Once you confirm the measurements, finish the wax as described in the previous video. And this is what the completed rims should look like. Thank you for watching.